Hello student, today I brought a video on the topic hydrogen. Hydrogen belongs to unit 9 of class 11. It is a very important topic. Hydrogen is a unique element and its what is property, what is its place in the modern periodic table, we discuss about it. Symbol of hydrogen is capital X and its mass is 1.0078 and the atomic number is 1. We can introduce hydrogen like that. Hydrogen chemical element that exists as a gas at room temperature. When hydrogen gas burn in air, it form water. Hydrogen burn is so it is a clean fuel. When hydrogen burn, it form water vapor. It is a clean fuel. French chemist Antonio Lavoisier named hydrogen from the Greek word for the water former. Hydro means water, gen means producer, and the complete meaning of hydrogen is water former or water producer according to literal meaning. Now, hydrogen has the smallest atom of the any element in the periodic table. A hydrogen atom contains one proton and only one neutron. It is the only one element which contains only one proton, and the all element must have electron, proton and neutron. They have neutrons and proton in the nucleus, but the hydrogen is the such element which have only proton and one electron. Here, it contains one proton and one electrons, only one. The protons is in the center or nucleus of hydrogen atom, and the electrons revolve around the nucleus. Now, pure hydrogen exists as hydrogen gas in which pair of hydrogen atoms bond together to make a molecule that's known as dihydrogen. Now, again we discuss about the position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Hydrogen is the first element of the periodic table and often called the protium. It is called the first hydrogen is called the protium. It is called protium. And the electron configuration of is 1s1, one of orbital has only one electron. Due to the presence of only one electron, its first cell, hydrogen exhibits dual behavior. Dual behavior, that means it has tendency to lose electron to form cation and also tendency to gain electron to form anion and cation, negative ion or positive ion. That's why it has dual character, dual nature. It resembles both alkali metal and the halogen. As a result, it is placed at the top of the alkali metal in a group 1 and also along with the halogen in group 16, since just like the halogen. It also required any one electrons to have the electronic configuration nearest to the noble gas element. The dual nature of hydrogen can be justified by the following one. We have justified what is the dual nature of hydrogen. We can compare the hydrogen with the alkali metal and also with the halogen. In this next slide we will discuss. Now look here. Halogen resembles alkali metal like, that is lithium. Alkali metals are lithium, potassium, sodium, rubidium, francium, cesium, francium, group of 1 belongs to the group 1. It is called the alkali metal in the periodic table. Now if we consider the electronic configuration of hydrogen like alkali metal, hydrogen also contains one electron in the outermost shell, that is the s orbital. Hydrogen, electron hydrogen 1s1. Similarly, lithium is equal to 1s2 and here 2s1, that is the s1 here. Here the sodium also s1, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and here 3s2. We see the outermost shell of the alkali metal, it contains only one electron in the s orbital, and hydrogen also contains one electron in the s orbital. That is the resemblance of hydrogen with the alkali metal and on the basis of electronic configuration. Now, next, second thing is the electropositive character. Electropositive character is the tendency to lose electron to form a positive ion. Like alkali metal, hydrogen also loses its only electron to form hydrogen positive ion. Here, positive ion. Here hydrogen loses one electron and form the positive ion. One electron lost to positive ion. Sodium also has tendency to lose electron form positive ion. That is why electropositive character of sodium or alkali metals similar to the hydrogen. So hydrogen show the electropositive character like the alkali. Hydrogen like alkali metals exhibit the electropositive character. In this way, it is the resemble with the alkali metal. Now look here. Third point is the oxidation state. Oxidation state like that is the charge in the compound. Charge of the element in the compound is called oxidation state. Like alkali metal, hydrogen exhibits an oxidation state that is +1. If you see the compound sodium chloride, the oxidation state of sodium is +1. Similarly, the oxidation state of hydrogen in the hydrochloric acid, that HCl, is also +1. That's why HCl here H plus and chlorine +1. So it the oxidation state of hydrogen is +1. Now, sodium chloride is also oxidation state of sodium is +1. Like that, the oxidation state of sodium and oxidation state of hydrogen both are same +1. That is the resemblance of the oxidation state of hydrogen with the alkali metal. And next one is combination with the electronegative element. Like the alkali metal also combined with the electronegative element like the halogen and sulfur. These are the electronegative element and non-metal and form their compound. Hydrogen also form with the electronegative element like that. Here, like alkali metal, hydrogen combined with the electronegative element such as oxygen here, halogen, and sulfur, forming their oxide, halide and sulfide. Like the oxide of hydrogen is H2O, that is water, and oxide of sodium here N2O, and what is the oxide of potassium K2O. Just like sodium and potassium, lithium, and form their oxide. Similarly, hydrogen also form their oxide. Its oxide. That is the resemblance of the combination with the electronegative element or non-metal. Hydrogen also form alkali metal also form sulfide. That's the Na2S, a K2S. Similarly, hydrogen also H2S. That is the hydrogen sulfide. Similarly, like sodium and potassium and alkali metal. Next, liberation at the cathode. Very important thing is liberation at the cathode. During the process of electrolysis, aqueous solution of sodium HCl is electrolyzed. Hydrogen gas is liberated at the cathode. And same way that the alkali metal, when liberated at the cathode, they have positive ions, so the positive ion liberated at the cathode, and hydrogen has tendency to liberate at the cathode, like the sodium chloride, potassium chloride. These are also liberated at the cathode. That is the resemblance of hydrogen with the alkali metal. Next is reducing character. Next one is reducing character. Here the reduction, like alkali metal, hydrogen also act as a strong reducing agent. Reducing agent, that means reduce the another metal. Reducing agent. When the ferric oxide, iron third oxide, it is the iron third ferric oxide, and combined with the hydrogen, it reduce the ferric oxide into ferrous. That is the characteristic of hydrogen. Similarly, alkali metal when combined with the ferric oxide is also reduced. That is the reducing characters of hydrogen is similar to the alkali metal. Next here, now we discuss about the resemblance of the hydrogen with the halogen. Now, hydrogen resembles halogen like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are the halogen. These elements are halogens which belong to the 17th group. 17th group of the periodic table as follows. What are they? If you consider there, we see the electronic configuration of halogen 17th group element and hydrogen, it's some resemblance like that. All halogen have 7 electrons in their respective outermost shell and thus have 1 electron less than the stable configuration of the nearest noble gas. Hydrogen has 1 electron in the outermost shell and thus it has also tendency to gain 1 electron and to form the stable configuration and of the nearest noble gas like the helium. Hydrogen fulfills their octet, make their electronic configuration stable like the helium by gaining 1 electron, and halogen has also tendency to gain 1 electron and to form its electronic configuration similar to the nearest noble gas, and it forms the octet and hydrogen form the duplet. That is the resemblance of hydrogen with the alkali metal. Halogen. Now here, hydrogen also has 1 electron less than helium. Fluorine has 1 electron less than neon. That is 1 electron deficient, that has tendency to gain 1 electron, and hydrogen form helium. Hydrogen make its electronic structure like helium, and fluorine make its electronic structure like neon. Next we need that electronegative character. Hydrogen also shows the electric negative character. Halogen have a strong tendency to gain 1 electron to form halide ion. Hydrogen show same tendency to gain 1 electron and form the hydride ion. Now, hydrogen gain 1 electron and form the negative ion, that is the hydride ion. Chlorine also gain 1 electron to form chlorine ion, that is the halogen also gain 1 electron to form their halide, and hydrogen also form receive 1 electron, gain 1 electron to form their hydride. That is the resemblance with the electronegative character. Now, ionization enthalpy, very important point. It is the ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy of the hydrogen is quite comparable with those of the halogen, but much higher than those of the alkali metal. The ionization enthalpy of lithium is ionization enthalpy lithium, that is the ionization enthalpy written as IX. It is the ionization enthalpy of lithium. Ionization enthalpy lithium written as like that. Yes. Ionization enthalpy is written like that. It is the symbol for the ionization enthalpy. It is the ionization enthalpy of lithium. Lithium is equal to here 520 kilojoule per mole, and that is the lithium of this much, and fluorine is here. Fluorine is equal to 1680 kilojoule, and the hydrogen is here. Hydrogen is here 1312 kilojoule. It is resemble with the fluorine. The higher ionization enthalpy fluorine, so that this much it is resemble to the fluorine, and that is the resemblance of the ionization enthalpy of hydrogen with the halogen. Here, ionization enthalpy of hydrogen is quite comparable with those of the halogen, but much higher than those of the alkali metal. Oxidation state. Now, one thing also we say the hydrogen also show negative oxidation state. Just like halogen, hydrogen also show an oxidation state of +1. It has dual character. It also show the positive oxidation +1 oxidation state, and some compound it to show the negative -1 oxidation state. That is the dual characters of hydrogen. Next point is liberation at the anode. Hydrogen also liberate sometime in the compound when compound is taken like that. Sodium hydride, calcium hydride. Now in this compound hydrogen liberated at it is the negative ion liberated at the anode, and similarly like the sodium chloride that liberated at the anode, similarly hydrogen also. Here sodium chloride, sodium hydride, it is liberated at this gas, hydrogen gas is obtained at the here anode, because the negative ion, it acts as a negative ion, so it is liberated at the anode, cathode, negative, and it is negative, so it is liberated at anode, because negative ion is liberated at anode, and sodium liberated at cathode. Now look here, sodium chloride, if you see the sodium chloride also liberated at the anode, it is a negative ion liberated at anode, positive terminal. Same, hydrogen also liberated at the positive terminal, and chlorine also liberated at the positive terminal. That's why the liberation of hydrogen and chlorine at the anode is same like the halogen. Atomicity and the non-metallic character. Just like halogen, hydrogen also exits a diatomic molecule. Hydrogen also exits H2 and chlorine also H2. It is the molecular atomicity of hydrogen also 2 and chlorine also. It is also diatomic and chlorine also diatomic. Like halogen is the typical non-metal. Basically, hydrogen is typical non-metal like the alkali halogen. Next, combination with metal. Next point, you compare a combination with metal. Like hydrogen, combined with the highly electropositive alkali metal, alkali like the alkaline earth metal, it is also combined with the positive element like the alkali and earth element, that is the calcium, magnesium. These are the metals that are the earth alkali metal, to form the metallic hydride. Halogen combined with this metal to form the metallic hydride, like the sodium plus hydrogen to sodium hydride, and calcium plus hydrogen to calcium hydride. Similarly, sodium chloride also formed with the chlorine, and calcium chloride also formed. That is the combination with the metal. Hydrogen also combined with the metal to form compound like the halide, the 17th group element to form the electropositive to form the compound 9. Next point is formation of covalent compound. Hydrogen readily combined with the non-metals such as carbon, silicon, nitrogen to form the covalent compound. Like it is also methane CH4 here, and here form the covalent compound silicon SiH4. It is sodium, it is ammonia, it is the carbon tetrachloride and silicon tetrachloride. That like chlorine also form the silicon tetrachloride, hydrogen also form the silicon hydride, and here hydrogen silicon tetrahydride, and it is ammonia. Just like chlorine form the covalent compound, similarly hydrogen also form the covalent compound. Next, formation of covalent compound. Hydrogen like it here. Next is replacement or substitution reaction in the many compound of the carbon. Hydrogen can be replaced the halogen, and the halogen can be replaced by the hydrogen. Like here, if the substitution reaction, if the methane is react with the chlorine, form the methyl chloride and HCl gas. Again, methyl chloride, when they react with the hydrogen, it form the methane plus HCl. That is the resemblance is also substituted by the hydrogen. Chlorine substituted by the hydrogen form the methyl chloride and hydrogen. Hydrogen substitute the hydrogen, displace chlorine and form the methane and HCl. Next point. Now these are the resemblance. We discussed about the resemblance of hydrogen with alkali metal and halogen. 17th group. Now there are differences between the alkali metals. There are differences of hydrogen with the alkali metal and the halogen. We discussed about it. Hydrogen is less electronegative like the alkali, less electropositive like alkali metal, and less electronegative like the halogen. These are the differences. Hydrogen is a less electropositive and also less electronegative with the like the halogen. Hydrogen has tendency to form tendency of hydrogen ion, positive ion, and as compared to alkali metal, which readily form the monovalent cation. Hydrogen has less tendency to form negative ion also as compared to the halogen, with ready to form the halide. It has the resemble with the alkali metal, but it is the less electronegative, electropositive. Electropositive for the alkali metal and electronegative for the less electronegative for the chlorine, bromine, iodine. That's a halogen. Unlike halogen and alkali metal, hydrogen contains only one electron. Now look here. Unlike hydrogen and alkali metal, hydrogen contains only one proton in its nucleus and only one electron in the extra nuclear part, that is the outermost shell. Now, nature of oxide. The nature of oxide of alkali metals and the halogen and oxygen are quite different. Now look here. The oxides of alkali metal are basic in nature, but the oxide of hydrogen is neutral, and the oxides of chlorine is acidic in nature, but the oxides of hydrogen is neutral, because oxide of alkali metal, oxide of halogen element, both are different than oxide of hydrogen. Oxide of alkali metal are basic, and while those of the alkali metal is acidic, but the oxide of hydrogen is neutral. Absence of unpaired, very important, unpair of electron. The hydrogen atoms in the hydrogen molecule do not possess any unshared paired electron, and there is no lone pair of electron, whereas each halogen has in the molecule possess the three unshared pair of electron. When the chlorine, bromine, iodine and form their molecules, molecules, they have three pairs of unshared pair electron, but when the hydrogen combined with the another hydrogen and from the diatom, they have no any pair of unshared pair electron. Now, nature of compound. Nature of compound, the compound of hydrogen with the halogen are low boiling covalent compound. Compounds of halogen with the hydrogen with the halogen is the low boiling point at the covalent compound, whereas the alkali metal halides are high melting point with the ionic compound. The hydrogen combined with the alkali metal, the ionic compound, and hydrogen combined with the halogen and form the covalent compound. That is the nature of compound. Next, size of ions. The size of hydrogen ion, positive ion, is much smaller than those of the alkali metal and alkali metal cation, but the size of negative hydrogen ion is much larger than of the halide ion. That is the if you compare the hydrogen ion like that, hydrogen ion, look, it is hydrogen ion. The size of hydrogen ion is a plus ion. It is much smaller than the alkali metal, that is here lithium. It is also positive charge here. It is much. Now here, if you compare the hydrogen ion, that is the negative ion, that it taken one proton and one electron, that bigger, but it is much bigger than the fluorine, chlorine, iodine here, because there are more protons here that attack the outermost shell of electron and reduce the size of the fluorine. As you compare the negative ion of hydrogen, it is much bigger than the negative ion of fluorine. No, negative ion, but it is a positive ion of hydrogen is much less than the positive ion of here lithium. Size. A structure of halide. Being very small in size, hydrogen does not exist freely and are always associated with the atoms of the molecule. Hydrogen ion exists in aqueous solution and hydrated proton having the formula of that is called the S3O4, S9O4. They written as the 4 molecules and a tetrahedrally arranged around with the hydrogen ion, in generally written as the hydronium ion. It is the hydronium ion. S3O4 hydrogen ion and called the hydronium ion. Alkali metal cation also exists in the hydrate, but the extent of the hydration of decreases as the size of the alkali metal cation is increases. Now, that is the differences of alkali metal with the hydrogen. Now, on the basis of this point discussion, it is not justified. It is not justified include the hydrogen either with the alkali metals or group 1 or halogen of group 17. The position of hydrogen is in the periodic table is anomalous. It is not also ambiguous. So it is placed top at the alkali metal at the first group, isolated from the all elements. That's the position of hydrogen in this characteristic of hydrogen that is not belongs to the alkali metal nor belongs to the halogen. That's why it is get a separate place in the periodic table. Okay, student. Next I discuss about another topic, that's the isotopes of hydrogen. We'll discuss about it.